Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. Okay, so we continue our journey on NumPy. Okay, so today we are going to use the range argument. Okay, so the range argument, we use the np.arange into brackets. Okay, in brackets. Okay. So let's just do some description. Okay, so this works with array with parameters with a start, stop, and then the step. And then you always have to pass in at least one of the parameters. Okay, and the default value of the step is 1 if no step value is provided. Okay, so here you can see there's a way we have so there's a way of representing it, or you can use this way. So here you have np.arange arange, not arrange, arange. So starts, so we are starting at 1 and then we stop at 10, and then we're going to do it in steps of 3. Okay, so here we are going to start at 1, so the start is going to be 1, so and then our step is going to be 3. So 1 2 3 4, okay, and then 4 5 6 7, okay, and then 7 8 9 10, but we can print that. Okay, so it's just going to print these. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so another way of doing this is just using this method. Okay, so starts, we are starting at 1 and then we are ending at 10 with steps of 3. Okay, so because of the steps, we wouldn't print the 10 up to the 10. Okay, so let's try something and see. So np.arange into bracket, let's say 1 comma let's say we want to print up to 20, and then want our steps to be let's say 4. So let's print it. Okay, so it's going to start at 1. Okay, and then counting 4. Okay, so from 1 and then to 20. Okay, so our steps is 4. So 1, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4, and then we have 5. So 5 6 7 8, and then 9 10 11 12, and then 13, in that order. So our the space is okay in between them is 4. So 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4, and then 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9, and then we have 10 11 12. That's so 9 10 11 12. Okay, so let's say here we are starting at 10 and then we are ending at 30 with steps of 5. Okay, so 10, so we are going to start at 10 and then we are starting at 30. Sorry, we are ending at 30 with steps of 5. So to do that, if you print it out, you see we have 10 and then 15 20 25. So it's moving in 5s. Okay, 10, so 5 is in between. So from 15 we have to 20, we have 5 in between these numbers. 20 we have 5 in between this to this. Okay, so you can see it's not going to print the 30. Okay, so let's see here, counts from 0 to 9. Okay, so here we pass the start and then we pass the stop, but we didn't pass the step. Okay, and remember here we said the value of step is 1 if no step value is provided. You can see we have it counting. Okay, so let's try that out. I'm going to click here, np.arange to bracket, let's pass the start of 0 and then let's pass a stop of, let's say, 12. Okay, so we didn't pass a step. Okay, so we pass only a start and then a stop. Okay, so let's print it out and you can see. Okay, so you can see it's printing everything, but it's not printing the last element. Okay, so if you want to print 12, you just have to change here to 13. Okay, so we have 12. Okay, so you just have to put this in mind: start, stop, and then step, to be able to make to be able to understand your arrange argument. Okay, so thank you for watching. Okay, should we try one last one? Okay, let's try one last one. Let me just try something here, and then np.arange bracket, let's pass a start of let's say 2, and then a stop of let's say 5, and then a stop of let's say 10, and then a step of, let's say, 4. Okay, so our start is 2, our stop is 20, and then our step is 4. Okay, so let's print it out. So you can see we have these values being printed. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then see you on next tutorial.